From the beautifully appointed interiors to the generous alfresco area and fully fenced backyard, this quality residence promises the best in low-maintenance living. Light-filled interiors include a generous open-plan living and dining area offering ample space for a young family, downsizers, or a couple looking to secure an ideal first home. The lovely adjoining kitchen is well appointed with stone bench tops, dishwasher, and a quality Westinghouse oven. The home boasts 2 spacious bedrooms, both equipped with large built-in wardrobes, plus a modern main bathroom. Featuring a private rear terrace with lovely gardens flowing to a large wraparound yard, the property offers rare additional outdoor space with potential to store a trailer, boat or caravan. Positioned at the rear of a small complex in a leafy, family-friendly neighbourhood, it's just a 5-minute stroll to the Plaza, Crawford Park or the Alstonville Aquatic Centre. For more information, please contact Team Johnston.